Very tasty and crispy. Air fry roasted chickpeas. Best snack recipe. You would love it with tea. Take 1 cup pre-boiled chickpeas, approx 250 grams. Wash it properly. Soak its moisture by tissue paper. One tablespoon olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon paprika powder. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix well. Take a can and transfer in it. Link available in description. Spread evenly. Set for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, shake it. Keep on shaking after each 5 minutes. Will be ready in 25 minutes. Let it cook down for a few minutes. Hope you will like it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.